It is so unbelievable hot in Texas these days that I have decided to make a video about German ice cream. I will show you in this video how to make a chocolate hazelnut ice cream. So here are the ingredients that you will need. You need milk, cream, sugar, egg, cocoa powder, hazelnut spread, so in other words Nutella, roasted chopped hazelnuts, and if you don't get that, you can instead just use some almonds and make it a chocolate almond ice cream. Then I like to add a little bit of rum extract, and you will need some chopped dark chocolate. The link to the printable recipe with all the quantities you will find at the very end of this video. So the first thing that I need to do is to heat the cream and the milk with the hazelnut spread. So now once the milk is warm, I'm also adding the cocoa powder and the chopped chocolate. And I want the chocolate to melt into the milk. I am mixing the egg with the sugar. I'm also adding a tiny little bit of that rum extract. This is optional. So I'm taking some of the liquid and mix it in. And I'm now adding this all together into the milk mix here. I want this to reach a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason is that we do not want to have a raw egg in our ice cream. We just want to reduce the risk of salmonella, and that's what we do by just increasing the heat to these temperatures. So now I let this cool before it goes into the ice machine. So now this has cooled, and now we're getting to the interesting part. So I have an ice maker, and this is the one that you probably know. It has to go into the freezer for about 24 hours, and then you can use it. There are ice machines that have a compressor that are easier to use but much more expensive, and there are also some that you can use by hand, so you have to stir it yourself. Another method would be you would just put this into a container, put it into the freezer and take it out every 10 minutes and stir it. But this has turned out for me to be a very convenient way to make ice cream. This usually takes about 20 minutes. Depending on how much liquid you're using. All right. So now I'm not putting the hazelnuts in there yet. So this goes in here. This goes on top. I just recently bought this ice maker. I had one that I brought from Germany that didn't work very well here, so I had to get a new one, and this was, I think, like $60. I will put a link in the description of the video so you can see if that's something you want to have. And now I just start the process, and it's moving around and putting the liquid on the sides of this cooled container, and therefore starts to freeze the liquid. So I guess I have to talk a little louder now. As you can hopefully see in the video, the consistency has become much more dense. It's more like a pudding, I would say. And now it's time to add the nuts. So the hazelnuts go in here. So here's the sad news. The best you will ever get out of these machines is a slushy-like consistency. So it's not really firm as you know it from the ice parlor. So what I usually do is I fill this into a different bowl and put it into the freezer for an hour or maybe sometimes more, and stir it in between so that it gets a better consistency. I have to work fast because it's melting very quick. As I said, it's very, very hot here, even in the house. Yeah, and I will put this into the freezer and later we will enjoy it. So I hope you like this recipe. I hope you try it. It's very delicious. I especially like the taste of the Nutella in it, and of course the hazelnuts. And I will definitely make some more ice cream recipes later this year. But for now, this must do.